Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate peanut butter banana bread. This is absolutely incredible, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, you need to get a loaf tin, which I have right here, and I've already sprayed it with some cooking spray. And that's all we got to do for that right now. You can just set that aside. We're going to come back to that. Next, in a medium bowl, I'm going to add to that 1 cup of flour. It's just all-purpose flour. Half a cup of cocoa. This is dark cocoa. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And a dash of salt. Whisk this up until all that's well combined. Now just set this aside and we'll come back to this shortly. Next, in a large bowl, we're going to put in there 3 ripened bananas. Make sure they are well ripened. You can speed up the process a bit if you didn't leave it out long enough. For instance, this one is getting there, it's close. But what I did was I put these 3 in the oven as I was heating it up and let them ripen a bit. Now they're nice and should be nice and soft inside. We're going to see. Let's cut this open and put these in there. Should be nice and mushy. Now that they're in the bowl, we're just going to mash these up. And this is why having ripe ones really helps. Should be able to smell that banana. Smells really good. Next, I have a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Put that in there. After I melted, I did let it cool a little. So next we're adding a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. There we go. We can just stir this in really good. Next we're going to use 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. You can use regular sugar if you'd like. This just gives it a stronger flavor. 1 large egg. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients to our wet. So let's pour that in there. Mix that up. Now, I've melted about 1 cup of peanut butter. This is creamy peanut butter. Don't use organic, use the good stuff. So I'm just gonna take a couple spoonfuls and pour in here because this is gonna be chocolate peanut butter. There we go. Mix that in. Doesn't have to mix in much, just a little. And I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, but I'm only gonna use about half in here. Mix that in. All right, so now it's time to come to our loaf pan and we're gonna fill this up. I'm just gonna fill half of it first. There you go, just like that. Now we're gonna come back to our peanut butter. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna drizzle some peanut butter in here, or melted peanut butter. That's good. Then come back to the rest of our batter. Pour that right on top. Now we got the rest of our semi-sweet chocolate chips. Just cover the top with these. And for the rest of our melted peanut butter, we're going to drizzle that across the top as well. Just take this, put this in the oven for about 50 minutes to an hour. So here we go. All right, so it's been an hour. I had this in the oven for an hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the way I checked it to see if it was done was I did put a toothpick through it. Now keep in mind, we do have chocolate chips in there. So as long as it comes out mostly clean, then it's pretty much done. As long as you can tell that it's chocolate chips that's on there, not the inside of the banana bread. So now we're gonna let it cool down for at least 15-20 minutes, and then we'll pop it out of the tray. All right, so now I'm gonna cut this up and just try to cut it into nice, good pieces. And we'll take a look at the inside. Now that it's cooled down, we're gonna try to take it out and put it on a serving dish. Now, of course, I've already put the peanut butter and stuff on top, and I'm gonna kind of flip it over and then try to flip it back and not mess up the top. We'll see how it goes. Who knows? We'll see. So I'm gonna put it on this nice white serving dish and see if I can get it from the side a little bit. Okay, not bad. Not bad, there we go. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna dig in to a piece of our chocolate banana, was it chocolate peanut butter banana bread? So here we go. Still nice and warm. I'll get a little bit of that peanut butter on top there. So good. Wow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this chocolate peanut butter banana bread. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also, check out the video right here. I think you may enjoy it. And until then, I'll see you next time. Make this chocolate banana blah, blah, blah. If you enjoyed this video, check out the peanut butter banana bread. I can't talk. Now what we're going to do is try to take this out of its, make this chocolate peanut butter banana bread, banana bread,